Hey, this is Sean with Service First. Today we're going to be going over our Delta telescoping flagpole. This comes in sizes of 20 and 25 feet with a 3-inch diameter at the base. This is made of 11 gauge aluminum, which is much stronger than the standard 16 gauge aluminum you might find on other flagpoles. It has also been tested at 100 mile-an-hour winds. With our telescoping flagpole, we use a stainless steel pin lock system which allows you to easily raise and lower the flag. Most other telescoping flagpoles use a twist lock system, which is prone to failure. Let's go ahead and lower our flagpole so we can take a look at the top. As you can see, this telescoping flagpole comes with 360-degree swivel clips. We'll take our flag and attach it directly there and raise it up. Our telescoping flagpole can fly a flag at half staff. It's easiest to do this by using our optional tether and weight system or halyard conversion kit. More information on this can be found on our website. Just to wrap up, our telescoping flagpole offers you not only strength but convenience. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call, chat with us online, or visit our website at servicefirstproducts.com.